Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this triple screen that this brand sent to me for this review. It's a triple monitor extender. This is amazing. This is like 14 inches. It comes with the actual 2 extender on the sides that you're gonna attach to your laptop, which, by the way, it can actually be used for laptops in between 14 to 17.3 inches, which those are the big laptops, and it's the one that we're gonna use today because I have a gaming laptop, a big one, and each one of this is 1080p, meaning that it's a full HD, and you can connect it in multiple ways. The best thing for me, it comes with this carry-on case, which is super stylish, like super nice, so you can actually take with you to the office if you want, or to on-site projects and things like that, or you can actually perfectly use it at home office as well. But having this, like this carry-on case with a pocket right here, I think it's super good. So let me actually show you what you get out of the box, and then I'm gonna use my laptop to connect these screens and show you how good these are. So the first thing I want to show you what you get out of the box. So you get right here the user's guide, which is super easy to follow. It's a quick starter guide as well that's going to explain you what to do, what not to do, and how to do it. All of this is super easy to follow. Then you also going to get all these cables that it's insane. It has 2 USB-A to USB-C, 2 USB-C to USB-C, and then 2 USB-C to HDMI. So you have multiple ways actually to connect this based on the ports that you have on your laptops. So that's actually super good. This is the case that I was telling you about. Super nice and stylish with the pocket right here. So I'm gonna actually take the screens right now. You can see how nice these are, like carbon fiber. You have the ports right here, the 3 USB-C ports, which one is only for video. So we're gonna talk about that in a few seconds. And then you take this out, this Velcro, and it's gonna reveal. Let me actually try to do it this way. So then you do it this way, you can see the carbon fiber that it's on the back, which I think it's super stylish. But let me show you something. So if you do this, you can extend it based on the length and the width of your laptop. So this is why it goes from the 14 inches to the 17.3 inches. So let's actually connect it to my laptop because I really wanted to show you how good these are. Well, sadly, my gaming laptop had no battery and I couldn't find the charger, so I'm using the small laptop here. But actually, that's good to show you that this goes from that range from 14 inches. This is like a 14-inch laptop to the big ones. Best thing about this, how easy it is to install. So right now it's hooked up with the 2 USB-C cables. One is right here and the other one is right here. I love that it comes with an L angle. So that's actually really good. So you can see that the cables are not visible. Super cool. Look at this. You can actually close the angles of this if you want and put it like more. Let me actually remove this mice from here, and you can use it like in a close angle, or you can actually open it more if you want, just like that, and do it like in fully horizontal position. Super easy to install, and this will be auto detected, which I think it's also super good. And you can see that I'm running 3 screensavers at the same time. So one is gonna be the main monitor, the other is gonna be the second monitor, and the other is gonna be the third monitor. It also comes with this right here, which is for volume, which now I have turned it off because I don't want to put music in this video. But you can see that each one of this, you can actually do it for the volume. The other thing about this one is that each one of this comes with a high contrast, high brightness, and also a really nice feature that you can see that if you put it like in an angle, you will see no glare, which I think is also super cool. I think this is really good for space saving. So once that you have this, you can actually remove it, put it back in the actual case, in the carry-on case that we talked about before, this one right here. So you put them right there, and you're gonna have like a 3 display setup, which is a carry-on in your laptop. And this will feed on the power. This will feed from your laptop power. So you probably have to, or may want to have this connected to a battery source because it will drain the battery faster, but it's not terrible. You can actually work a few hours on the main battery from the laptop actually. So I really like them. These are super good for space saving, super easy to connect. As you can see right here, super easy. You extend them and you put them back with these brackets right here on your laptop that will not damage the screen or anything like that. I like them. I do recommend them. Super easy to install, and they also look really good with this 3 display setup. Easy to use and for sure super convenient for space saving. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.